salt hydrolysis. First we'll learn about salt. What are salts? Salts are basically made in the process of neutralization due to the mixture of acid and bases in which we get H2O and salt as a product. Now, what is salt hydrolysis? Salt hydrolysis is nothing but a reverse process of neutralization. In salt hydrolysis, there are 4 types. Basically, there are 4 types of hydrolysis: salt of weak base and strong acid, salt of strong base and weak acid, salt of weak base and weak acid, and salt of strong acid and strong base. Let's learn about all these types of salts. Now let's learn about salt of hydrolysis and salt of weak acid and strong base. The best example for salt of weak acid and strong base is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate acts as a strong electrolyte. When we add this in water, it breaks down and it gets converted into CH3, COOH and NaOH. Here NaOH is a strong electrolyte, but CH3, COOH is a weak electrolyte. And this process, as we can see, it's a reverse process of neutralization. Here we can see that since these both are strong electrolytes, these are breaking down into ions, whereas H2O and CH3COH are not they are very weak electrolyte, due to which they are not breaking down into the ions. Here it has Na pluses on both the sides, we can just cancel it out and we are left with here, as we see, we are left with CH3CO minus plus H2O, which is giving us CH3COH and OH minus. Due to the presence of negative ions, we can say this is an anionic hydrolysis. And since the presence of OH minus and as well as a strong base is added, we can say this is basic in nature. And its pH is also greater than 7. Now we'll learn about salt of strong acid and weak base. The best example of this is CH4Cl. Here NH4Cl acts as a strong electrolyte. HCl is also acting as a strong electrolyte, whereas NH4OH acts as a weak electrolyte as well as H2O. Here we can cancel out Cl minus and we are left with here, since due to the presence of positive ions, we can see this is in cationic hydrolysis. And due to the presence of H plus, and since a strong acid is added, we can say this is acidic in nature and its pH is less than 7.